The staircase in elevation view is a function that allows you to draw the steps and landings of a staircase of up to 3 flights. Open the function and you'll get this window. First, it's recommended to specify the number of flights of the staircase. If you choose 1 flight, you can only modify these 4 parameters. Then you should define the floor-to-floor height. If you type 3 and press Update, Dibac will automatically set the rest of the values using the Blundell's law formula. This formula verifies the coherence between the step rise and the tread. The ideal value should always be 64 centimeters. These default values will set the numbers of steps after indicating the floor-to-floor height. Obviously, we can modify these parameters. However, changing one value will affect others to maintain the Blundell's law. Therefore, if you increase the number of steps, the tread width and the riser height will change. If you change the riser height, the floor-to-floor height and the tread width will change. In addition, if you change the tread width, you will modify the value of the formula. Let's set the formula value back to 64 centimeters and define a floor-to-floor height of 3.2 and press OK. You can draw the staircase in 4 different directions. To do this, make sure you disable the orthogonality locking. Now click on the initial point of the staircase to indicate the position of the first step. And then click on the direction of the stairs. So, depending on where you click the second time, you'll get the staircase in one direction or another. Let's do a double right click to open the staircase window again. Now choose the 2 flights staircase. As you can see, you get a few more options to define. Here you can set the staircase width for the flight that will be facing forward. You can also set the angle between the 2 flights. In this case, I'm going to choose a 90 degrees angle. You can define the number of steps in one of the flights. Note that this number will not alter the total number of steps. So one of the flights will have 5 steps and the other 13. Finally, you can set the landing length. This value will not be seen using the 90 degrees flight angle. It is only visible when the angle between flights is 0 degrees. And if you set the value of 0, the program will use 1 meter by default. Now press OK and draw the staircase to see the result of these settings. Now double right click to set the number of flights to 3. In this field you can specify the number of steps for the 3rd flight. So if I type 7, one of the flights will have 7 steps, the next will have 5, and the last one will have 6 to complete 18 steps. In this case, the angle between flights is deactivated, so the flights will be perpendicular between each other. Now you can press OK and draw the stairs to see the result.